Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm testing out the Shark BS-SP1 speaker. It's a compact, powerful speaker with striking RGB lighting effects. I'm putting it through a 24-hour challenge to see if it can handle everything in my day. Podcasts, gaming, movies, and outdoor music. By the end of this video, you'll know if this little soundbar is worth adding to your setup. Let's start with a quick look. This is the SP1. It's about 16 inches wide, weighs about 2 pounds, and has a subtle 30-degree tilt. So the sound points right at you when you put it down on the desk. It puts out 10 watts of total power. That's 2 5-watt drivers with double-layer neodymium magnets for crisp voices and deeper bass.
But still, 6 years is astounding to me. Like, this man is clearly dangerous.
So, okay, did Dawn just...
It works over Bluetooth or single USB Type-C cable that carries both power and audio, so setup is super simple. And the RGB lights have 5 different modes: neon, breathtaking, gradient, monochrome, and my favorite lights, follow rhythm, where the colors pulse with your music or gameplay. I start my day with a podcast. It connects to my phone instantly over Bluetooth. Even at low volume, the voices sound sharp and full.
She knew him. I mean, at least that's what her...
And the RGB glow adds a cool vibe to my kitchen counter. Now it's time for some gaming. It's small enough to sit under my monitor, but loud enough to give me immersive sounds. Explosions, footprints, background music, everything sounds richer than my built-in monitor speakers. I can also switch to a wired USB Type-C connection for 0 lag. And when I pick up the lights follow rhythm mode, the lightning pulses in time with the action. It literally makes the emotion of the sound visible. Movie time. I moved the SP1 to my living room. It's super easy to carry. I'm streaming a film from my tablet connected via Bluetooth. The SP1 fills the room with clear dialogue and solid bass thanks to its 10-watt drivers. That 30-degree tilt helps project the sound directly towards the couch. And the synchronized lights create a mini home theater effect without me needing a big soundbar. Finally, a little wind down outside. I've taken the SP1 to my patio. It still sounds great outdoors, and it looks amazing in the dark. The RGB effects really stand out here. It weighs only about 2 pounds, so carrying it around is no problem. I've been using it on and off all day, and it's still running strong. It's basically my all-in-one speaker for inside and outside. So after 24 hours, the Shark SP1 proved it can handle everything. Podcasts, gaming, movies, and outdoor music, without losing any performance. It's compact, versatile, and the RGB lighting effects make it unique. If you want to check it out yourself, here are the links. I'll drop them in the description so you can get all the specs. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what you'd use this speaker for first.